By now, we've all heard news of the health insurance company CEO that was shot in New York. And while murder is really not the solution to anything, the general response to the whole thing is clear that people are tired of insurance companies and the BS of it all. This was such a targeted murder that, until proven otherwise, it seems very obvious why the murderer did it. And as a nurse, I can tell you that being a sick person in America, which all of us have been, is downright one of the most frustrating experiences you can have. This is why I'm such a huge advocate for people being able to take control of their health and being more proactive so that you don't even have to deal with the healthcare system in the first place. And it's not just patients, even healthcare workers are frustrated. You make a commitment to help people and do no harm, but that commitment only goes as far as health insurance are willing to allow. Getting sick in America means you see just this gross incompetence and greed that is the healthcare system. If you think you've ever been gaslit in a relationship, no, you haven't. Wait until you get gaslit by your healthcare providers or your insurance company. They'll make you feel like you're crazy. And there's so many people that stand to benefit from you being sick. Insurance companies, pharmaceutical companies, the food industry. Your job is to not make these people any wealthier at your own expense. There are forums where healthcare workers have been sharing their experiences dealing with insurance companies in light of this whole thing. And one of the things that stood out to me was a nurse that works in pediatrics with really sick children. She said there is this drug that can stop children from having seizures, but insurance only approves that drug when the child has failed the first insurance approved drug. And failing that first drug really just means that the child has to have a certain number of seizures so that the drug is considered failed. And so what happens is parents and their healthcare teams just watch these children seize themselves into oblivion in order to fail this drug and get qualified for the much better option. And you're paying for healthcare insurance. It's not like it's free. People pay hundreds of dollars a month just to get health insurance. And there are certain states where it's even punishable by law to not have health insurance. So the best thing you can do is stay out of the healthcare system. Eat right, exercise, build community, avoid stress, have hobbies, don't smoke. Check in with your body regularly, and once you notice any changes, address them as soon as possible. All these boring, repetitive things you hear are really just that. That's what will save you. Stay healthy.